Hello, explorers. Imagine a time long, long ago, even before dinosaurs walked the earth. The ocean was full of amazing creatures, and one of the coolest was the shark. Sharks have been swimming in the sea for hundreds of millions of years. They are super survivors, older than dinosaurs and even older than trees. But don't worry, sharks aren't scary monsters. They're amazing animals that help keep the ocean healthy and full of life. There are all kinds of sharks, big ones or small ones, and even some that glow in the dark. Each one is special and has its own story. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to meet these awesome creatures, so take a deep breath and get ready to dive into the wonderful world of sharks. So, what exactly is a shark? Sharks are a special kind of fish, but their skeletons are made of cartilage, not bone. This lightweight structure lets them move with incredible agility. Their skin is covered in tiny, tooth-like scales called dermal denticles, making them fast and silent swimmers. Sharks breathe through gills, with some needing to swim constantly, while others can rest on the ocean floor. They live in every ocean, from tropical reefs to icy polar seas. Some prefer sunlit shallows, others rule the deep, dark abyss. Their adaptability is unmatched in the marine world. Sharks are true masters of their realm. When people think of sharks, the great white often comes to mind, but there are over 500 species, each unique. Some, like the dwarf lantern shark, are tiny and glow in the dark to hide from predators. At the other extreme, the whale shark is the largest fish on Earth, gentle, filter-feeding, and harmless to humans. Between these extremes, sharks come in all shapes and colors. The hammerhead's wide head gives it panoramic vision. The mako is built for speed. The zebra shark changes from stripes to spots as it grows. Each species is a marvel of adaptation. The shark family is a gallery of natural art. Their diversity is what makes them endlessly fascinating. There's a shark for every corner of the ocean. Among the many remarkable sharks that roam our oceans, some stand out as gentle giants. The basking shark, for example, is one of the largest fish in the sea, yet it poses no threat to humans. Instead of hunting, it glides near the surface with its enormous mouth wide open, filtering tiny plankton from the water. This peaceful giant can grow up to 40 feet long, making it a true marvel of the marine world. These massive creatures move with serene grace. Their slow, effortless movements a stark contrast to the fearsome reputation of their relatives. They are a reminder that not all sharks are predators. In contrast, some sharks are masters of stealth. The angel shark, for instance, lies perfectly camouflaged on the sandy ocean floor, blending in with its surroundings. When unsuspecting prey swims by, it strikes with lightning speed, demonstrating the incredible diversity of hunting strategies among sharks. The Port Jackson shark is another fascinating example. With its unique ridged teeth, it is specially adapted to crush hard-shelled prey like shellfish and crabs. By feeding on these creatures, it helps maintain the balance of its ecosystem, showing that every shark has a role to play in the ocean's web of life. Deep in the frigid waters of the Arctic, the Greenland shark moves at a slow, deliberate pace. This mysterious species can live for centuries. Some individuals are believed to be over 400 years old, making it one of the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Across the world, sharks have evolved countless ways to survive. Some rely on patient ambush, waiting motionless for the perfect moment to strike, while others use bursts of speed and power to chase down their prey. Their adaptability is key to their success, but not all sharks are hunters. Some act as cleaners, picking parasites from other fish at special cleaning stations, while others scavenge the ocean floor for leftovers, recycling nutrients and keeping the ecosystem healthy. Each shark species fills a unique niche, perfectly adapted to its environment. From the smallest dwarf lantern shark to the mighty whale shark, their diversity is astonishing. The world of sharks is full of surprises, stretching from the sunlit shallows where young sharks grow, to the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean where few humans have ever ventured. Their stories reveal the wonders hidden beneath the waves, inviting us to look closer and appreciate the incredible variety and beauty of these ancient ocean dwellers. Sharks have long been cast as villains, but the truth is far different. Most of the 500-plus shark species are harmless and avoid humans. Attacks are extremely rare and usually cases of mistaken identity. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than bitten by a shark. Millions swim and dive safely alongside sharks every year. By understanding and respecting their space, we can coexist peacefully. Sharks are intelligent, cautious, and vital to ocean health. Let's replace fear with respect and admiration. Sharks are not monsters, they're essential ancient neighbors. A shark's diet depends on its species and habitat. Great whites and makos hunt large prey, while most sharks feed on smaller fish or invertebrates. Some, like black-tip reef sharks, hunt in groups, herding fish into tight balls. Nurse sharks use suction to pull prey from crevices. Sharks have acute senses, smelling a drop of blood in vast water and detecting electrical fields with special pores. They rarely waste food, often targeting the sick or weak, keeping populations healthy. Their feeding habits maintain balance in the ocean's food web. Sharks are not wasteful killers, they are nature's managers. Every meal they take helps keep the ocean resilient. Their role is crucial for a thriving marine world. Sharks are the guardians of the ocean, shaping marine life for millions of years. These ancient predators have survived through countless changes in our planet's history, adapting and evolving to maintain their crucial role in the sea. By preying on mid-level fish, they prevent any one species from overrunning the ecosystem. This delicate balance keeps populations in check and allows a wide variety of marine life to flourish. Without sharks, prey populations explode, leading to the collapse of coral reefs and seagrass beds. The absence of these top predators can trigger a chain reaction, causing algae to overgrow and smother reefs and entire habitats to disappear. Even the fear of sharks helps keep ecosystems balanced as prey animals move and graze more carefully. This landscape of fear prevents overgrazing and protects vital habitats, showing that sharks influence the ocean in subtle, powerful ways. When sharks die, their bodies feed deep-sea creatures, distributing nutrients across the ocean. Their remains become a vital food source for countless organisms, supporting life in the darkest depths. A single shark carcass can sustain life on the ocean floor for months. This natural recycling process helps maintain the health of deep-sea ecosystems, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Sharks connect every part of the marine ecosystem, from shallow reefs to the abyss. Their movements link distant habitats, transporting energy and nutrients across vast distances. Their presence ensures healthy, vibrant oceans. Where sharks thrive, so do countless other species, creating underwater worlds full of color and life. They are not just predators, they are caretakers, Sharks help maintain the balance that allows marine ecosystems to survive and adapt to change. The ocean's health depends on sharks. Without them, the entire web of marine life would unravel, threatening the future of our seas. Protecting them protects the entire sea. By safeguarding sharks, we ensure the survival of the ocean's incredible diversity for generations to come. Despite their resilience, sharks now face grave threats, mostly from humans. Overfishing is the biggest danger, with tens of millions caught each year, often faster than they can reproduce. Many are killed for fins, meat, or by accident in fishing nets. Habitat loss is another threat. Nursery grounds polluted, coral reefs dying, mangroves destroyed. Climate change and pollution make survival even harder. Fear and misunderstanding have slowed efforts to protect sharks. But as we learn more, attitudes are changing. People are realizing that a world without sharks is a world out of balance. The guardians of the ocean now need our help. Their future depends on what we do next. The future of sharks is in our hands, but hope is growing. Around the world, people are taking action, supporting sustainable fishing and creating marine protected areas. These ocean parks give sharks a safe haven to recover and thrive. Education is key. Sharing the true story of sharks replaces fear with fascination. Visiting aquariums, supporting conservation, and spreading awareness all make a difference. When more people care, governments and industries listen. Sharks are not to be feared, but admired and protected. From tiny lantern sharks to giant whale sharks, each plays a vital role. Let's promise to learn, care and act for sharks and for the ocean. By saving sharks, we protect the wonder and health of our blue planet for generations to come.